Hello there, welcome back to another video of Talking with Can. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most frequently asked questions in the international community. I'm getting this question mostly from the individuals who are not inside Canada. They are getting a partial information from YouTube, TikTok and Instagram that there is a new process where one can just apply for a visitor visa, enter Canada and convert that into a work permit. So Vishnu, what is this process really about?
So this is a LMI public policy which gives an individual to apply for LMI within Canada. This is the third time this policy is getting extended. This policy is implemented in 2021 during the COVID time, where the person who are on visitor visa or temporary status can able to apply for a LMI being within Canada. However, if we look into before COVID time, if you want to apply for LMI, even though a person is within Canada, still the individual has to leave Canada and apply for a LMI, same like any other visa process. The applicant supposed to be getting a passport request. But being 2021, the first time when the LMI policy, public policy was introduced, from that time if the individual who are already in Canada received a positive LMI, the individual can be eligible to apply for a work permit within Canada. This got extended in 2022 and now in 2023, they have extended that until 2025. So once again, this LMI public policy allows an individual who are on a visitor visa to extend their LMI or apply for a LMI if they hold a positive LMI report.
So this was introduced during COVID times to address the labor shortage, exactly, right?
Yes.
So again, is it like one can come in, he just walks into Canada on a visitor visa and just like that he converts it into a work permit? Is that the case, or does he has to go through the ESTC office, find an employer and do the whole process with an LMI? Because that is the major question. Because everybody thinks it's a free for all, you come on a visitor visa, you just convert it into a work permit.
So the LMI application process is still the same. First of all, the individual has to find an employer, the application need to be placed online nowadays through a ESDC office. Service Canada will do their process to process the application, offer the positive LMI and the person apply for a work permit. However, nowadays what we are seeing is the agents outside Canada, non-licensed consultants, what they are doing is they are using this news in a partial way and creating a rumors where they are forecasting this news in a way that the individual can able to get in Canada and directly get a work permit like how it used to be in UAE countries. But to be very specific, it is not. Individual who come on visitor visa, study permit, super visa or any other visa, if they want to work in Canada, they need to get a closed work permit. They ought to have a positive LMI. There is no other shortcut through this policy.
So there you have it, folks. Always read between the lines. Visitor visa to work permit, yes, it is definitely possible, but employer, that is still the common factor. A lot of people assume that this policy was introduced so that they can just come into Canada and change it into a work permit, but unfortunately that is not the reality. Always check regarding the policies, regarding whatever you hear from an agent with the CIC's website. It is and it will be the most reliable source of information regarding Canadian immigration. Thank you again for joining us on this video. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.